Hello guys, welcome again to Build Sasa, and today I want to show you how you're going to build your website. I believe you're here because you've chosen the website theme. So either you've chosen a theme that looks like this, or you've chosen another one that looks like this. So all the websites that you're seeing, I would like to mention that they're made of sections. Sections is this what you see here, it's written block. So every theme that we have on our platform is made of blocks. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to build a website in just a few minutes. Like, this is crazy because we just came to learn that websites are made of blocks. So that's what I'm going to show you in a bit. Okay, now let me show you how this website was made. Every website is made of sections. Sections which you call blocks or columns. The first thing you're seeing here, this is what we call a top menu. Then you have another menu with a logo. Then you have a menu with items, and then you have what we call a hero section. So let me say if I want to edit this website, the first thing I want to change, of course, is the name. As I shared before, for you to edit a name, you just double click. You click that edit settings, and then you can put in your name. So you can say probably it's whatever technology, let's say Light Technologies, if that's your shop, tech, and that's it. Then I click. Everything is editable by double clicking. If I want to edit this, just double click, and then I can say welcome to Light Tech Shop. Okay, then I can put all my information there, located in CBD, whatever. So I can do that. Number two, I come now here. The next thing you're seeing here is a menu. So if I want to edit this menu, I just click edit menu, and then I can now start putting the items I want based on what I want. If I want to remove this, I can delete it here. You see, if I want to, all these things is possible. If you want to edit the menu items, let's say probably here I want to put like about us, I edit that, double click. If I want to edit this to become to products, you can do anything. Just you now to decide how you want to build your website, you see, and automatically it has changed, right? So that's number two. Also remember that you can always add a menu from the widget section. So you can just click that on your left, and then you look for the menu. Where is the menu? The menu is here. Then you drag and you drop it. You just drag and drop. But remember, you can only drop when you put a new column on the website, which I'm going to show you in a bit. So if I want to put another menu here, or I want to delete this, I don't like this menu, I want to do my own fresh menu, then I will delete this. I delete that, then I click here on the plus sign. Okay, then I need to add a new container. So that a container, actually what a container does, it increases the space between your websites. So I put a container there, right? Gives me this huge space. Don't worry when you see this huge space. This just shows you that this is a section you need to add content. Okay, so I click this plus sign, then I take the menu and I drop it. You need to see this line. When you do this, it will not be at the top. This will go to the this is called vertical side, but you put it like this horizontally where it shows you this line, then you can now put your menu, and then you can start adding menu items. Probably you want to put pages, home, like that. That's not the first thing on the menu, like that. Then if I want to put another menu item, then you see page group, then I want to link it to services. You see, like all these things is possible. I put that there. So now I have two items, and I can do that on and on and on and on and on. Then of course, if I want to select if I want to edit, I just double click, then I can change anything I want. I can do anything I want. If I want to edit the style, don't double click. If I want to edit the style, make sure that you see the finger, the thumb, then I click the styling. Then I can say how I want my font to be, if it's that way. If I want to increase the font size, like the one that was there before, you can play with it as much as you want, okay? And then, of course, you need to align it. Make sure that it's at the center. And that's where you have a menu, and then you just keep adding items on and on and on. And that's how easy it is to edit that. Then, now you might say, okay, this is not the theme probably you want. Probably if you see things that you like, you can leave them there. But in case you feel like you want to do something straight from the scratch, there's something very powerful on the website option, which is called add block. So you bring your mouse wherever you want to add something. Let me say you've said my first thing was the menu, then I need to put something on my website, and the next thing I want to see is a header. So a website is made of sections. You need to decide which sections you want. Say for this website, it has a header, then it has the services, Then it has a book us widget, image, button. Then it has testimonials. Then it has services again. Then it has products. You see. Then it has an offer. Then it has what we call a footer of a website. So you need to decide what format of a website you need to have for yourself, right? So we already have a template which you can edit yourself. Let me say I can edit this again. I double click, I put my text there. I can decide to do that. Or if I want to, probably you don't want to do a website from scratch, you want to change this image, double click the image and then remove it. Just click it and then make sure that you have an image in your machine. Then you upload it. Once you upload the image, it will remove this image remove the image that's there on the website. Like all these things are very, 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 very easy. Let me pick this product. I upload that. It's uploading. So I would like to mention that everything is editable. Everything is editable. You can put anything as you want on the website, and that's how that image has gone. You see, that's how that image has gone. See, this image is not in sync with the theme. So either I can go and remove the background on the website called remove.bg, or I just change the whole of this block, because I mentioned that websites are made of blocks. So blocks means across the whole website, the whole section. I can edit this because that's gray. I put it, you see the background color is a bit like grayish, so I can put it to white. And when it's white, the whole thing now is the same because my image was white, right? So I can either decide to do that. I want to edit this image, double click as I've mentioned, click it and upload images, double click and all that. If you want to edit this text, double click, edit, put your services. Like everything is editable, like just graphic design. If you want to change this image again, you want to put your own image, just do the same thing over and over again. Double click, remove it, it's gone. You can edit this book section, just type whatever you want there. If you want to edit this form, because this form usually goes to your email address. Yeah, because this form usually goes to your email address, double click it. Then decide which options you want. If it's name, phone number, decide what you want the form to go to. Remember, if you want to put more information, just hover your mouse. When you see this fist, click these settings. So there's double clicking and just hovering. When you hover, it shows you these other options. So you hover, you click edit settings, and then you can decide what you need to call this form name, and make sure that you link it to your email. It's here. It says send notification to, so you can put your email there. Supported with us, or your own email. Sorry, don't use our email, of course. You can put your own email there, and when someone fills this form, it will go to your email address. And yeah, it just goes on and on. If you don't like this section, come to the block, hover your mouse where you're seeing written block, delete it. Okay, you can build your site again. If you don't like this block, come here, click it, delete. But if you like it, you want to edit, double click, edit, put price, 1,000, 200 shillings, whichever. Everything is editable. Now let me talk about what I had mentioned before. Before I move on. Also, you can put your products on a website like this. How did these products appear here? What happened is that in this section, we've added a widget for the store. So a widget for the store helps us to display products on a homepage, if in case you're selling products. So what has happened is that you click this add widget, and then you'll see store option. Store, it's here, and that's what happened, and it was put there. You see, then you decide which products you want to appear. You can put all latest products, or select the products, or you put all products from all categories. Like, it's all easy and done. Then decide how many products you want to see. If it's 4, it's 5. You just decide how many products you want to see on your homepage. If you don't want products, of course, on the same page, you can always hover, click once and delete. If you don't like products, hover and delete. But if you want to do more, of course, as shared, just increase the numbers by clicking this. Then you decide how many products you want on a row. Just decide what you want to do with that. But that's how easy it is to put products on here. Right, let's go to now, how do I make now my website the way I want? Because I was showing you based on how this is because everything is double click, you edit. Now, how do I create my website the way I want? I put my own text, I put my own menu. Now, how do I make it the way I want? So what I do is what I call add block section to make websites. You click add block, it brings you what we call templates. Templates are designs for sections for websites. So you can choose what you want. Hero section is usually the header of every website in the world. Every website has a hero section. From Jumia, Alibaba, all of them have hero sections. I will open them slowly as we continue with our website. As we continue with our website, every website in the world has what we call sections, right? Okay, let's wait for them to load. They're usually very, very heavy. Which one has opened? Jumia. You see, every website has what we call a hero section. It's usually the first thing you see at the top of the website, which is here. This one. This is what is a hero section. This is a website with one section, which I was calling this the menu section. Then you have the hero section. For Alibaba, same thing. It's the same concept, hero section. So if I come back to our website, now we decide what type of header do I want. Do I want just an image? Do I want something? So let me assume I want to let me take this one let me take this. Okay. So automatically it converts my website. See, I have that. And after that, then I say, I want to add something after that. I want people to see my services. Then I can come and select which design do I like. Probably some people like to have services looking like this. Some want images. You just decide what you want. And after that, I put my services like that. Then I come and I can double click and say marketing, all that, then put the description, all right? Then after that, I'd be like, okay, what else do I need on my website? Then probably I need a portfolio of what I've done. Then I'll come and say I need image and text, or I can choose between call to action, but I can choose image and text. Let me say I want to put my portfolio. Which one would look better for portfolio? The people like this. Let me choose that. So after that, I have my portfolio section. Right, so I can come and put here which clients have I worked with. If you don't like it, or remember, you can always delete the section immediately, right? So never forget that. You can always delete the section immediately so that we start again. So, right. So let me go again. Let me choose another one that I like. Let me say I want portfolio. Let me go with any. Let me choose this. So this is portfolio section. It has different images. Remember, you can always increase the size through this. Whatever that's here in blue, you can always increase, can always decrease. You can always double click, put your image again, right? Over and over again. This image, you see it's stretched, double click it, remove the stretch if needed so that it fits. You can do that over and over again. Okay, so I've finished my home, header, hero section, services, portfolio, and let me say probably now I want to add a gallery. And come and say I want to add a gallery of images. Then I come and select, I see which one I like. Remember, everything is editable by double clicking. I select that. Right, then I just come and now double click and I edit my gallery. I edit images. I can delete all the images I don't want like this. I delete. Then you can add image from your folder again, the images you've uploaded, and that's it. Take this up there, it's done. You get. So that's really easy for you, right? So you have all the time to make your website the way you want. Remember, if you feel the images are stretched, you come and double click here. Sorry, not double click. You hover your mouse once, click once, then you see this box thing, info, click there, then come down here and either fill your image or remove. Okay, and that's it. Then you can edit how many things you want. So now I have my home hero section, I had my menu, I have my hero section, I have my services, I have my portfolio, I have my gallery. Then someone else might say, okay, probably have some testimonials. You can come and say, or probably you want to add a video, you can add a video. Like all these things are possible, whichever thing you want. Lastly, probably I want to add testimonials. It's here. Like, just come and select anything you want. If you want to put your customers' testimonials over and over again, then bring that there and you will be good to go, right? And that's how easy it is to make our website. Website is made of sections, and that's how easy it is. Remember, if you don't like anything, feel free to delete and edit, right? I guess that's it for this video. In case there's anything else, then of course always feel free to click this chat button here and talk to us directly and just ask a question, and yeah, you'll be good to go. So that's it for me. Make sure that your website looks good, and then at the end, after you finish your website, make sure you connect your domain name so that it removes this name at the top. Click these settings and come to where it's written domains and edit. Click the settings here and just change systems of domain and write whatever your business is, and then click change. That's it. If you want your own domain like alibaba.com, then you have to click connect an existing domain. That's it for me, guys, and it's always a pleasure to help you. And that's how easy it is to edit a website. As I shared before, website is made of sections, and you can always remove and edit and just add blocks over and over and over again. This is the only tool that you can edit websites by double clicking and dragging and dropping. Drag and drop, move anything anywhere you want, right? Take care and see you on the next video.